AI isn't the future, it's now. And those who understand how to leverage it, they're already getting rich. The question is, will you be one of them? In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can use AI to generate wealth, whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or just getting started. Stay with me because this could change your life. Why AI is the biggest wealth opportunity. Imagine being part of the internet boom in the 90s or the rise of social media in the 2000s. AI is bigger than both, combined. Billionaires are betting big on AI because it's revolutionizing everything: business, investing, even creativity. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to cash in. You just need to be smart enough to take action. Let me ask you something. What if you could automate your income? What if AI could do 90% of the work for you while you focused on scaling your business, investing, or creating content? Well, that's not a dream anymore. It's reality. And I'm about to show you exactly how to make it happen. AI-powered business ideas. The fastest way to build wealth with AI? Start an AI-powered business. And the best part? Most of these ideas require little to no upfront investment. Here's how. AI content creation. AI can write YouTube scripts, blog posts, and social media content in seconds. You can sell these services, start a faceless YouTube channel, or even create an AI-generated book. Imagine making passive income while AI works for you 24/7. AI automation for businesses? Companies pay top dollar for AI chatbots, virtual assistants, and automation tools that cut costs and save time. You can create these solutions using platforms like ManyChat or Zapier and sell them to businesses for thousands of dollars. AI-powered e-commerce. AI can handle product research, write high-converting product descriptions, and even generate marketing ads. Imagine running an online store that practically runs itself. With AI, you can identify trending products before the competition does, giving you an unfair advantage. AI and investing. Want to make money while you sleep? AI is your best friend. Here's how to use it to build wealth through investing. AI trading bots. AI can process massive amounts of financial data instantly, making smarter trades than any human could. Platforms like Trade Ideas and AlgoTrader allow you to automate your investments and maximize profits. AI and crypto. Platforms like Token Metrics use AI to predict crypto trends, helping investors make more profitable moves. Some people have turned a few $100s into six figures using AI-driven trading strategies. AI real estate tools. AI can analyze market trends and identify undervalued properties before the masses catch on. This means you can buy low and sell high with minimal risk. Not ready to quit your job? No problem. AI side hustles are a great way to start making money today. And the best part? Many of these require zero experience. Here are some of the best AI side hustles. AI voiceovers and video editing. Use AI tools like Murph or Synthesia to generate voiceovers and videos. Sell these services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. AI-generated art and design. AI tools like Midjourney can create stunning artwork that you can sell as digital prints, NFTs, or even t-shirt designs. AI-powered copywriting. AI can write product descriptions, email sequences, and social media ads. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for these services. AI resume writing and job applications. Use AI to create professional resumes and LinkedIn profiles. Charge clients for optimizing their job applications and career branding. The secret? Find a niche and use AI to work smarter, not harder. AI-powered passive income streams. Now, what if I told you AI could make you money while you sleep? That's the power of AI-driven passive income. Here's how to set it up. Faceless YouTube channels. AI can generate scripts, voiceovers, and even edit videos for you. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. AI subscription services. Launch an AI-powered service that people subscribe to monthly, like an AI writing assistant or stock analysis tool. AI course creation. AI can help you create an online course in days, not weeks. Sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. AI affiliate marketing. Use AI to automate content creation and drive traffic to affiliate products. Earn commissions on autopilot. AI isn't just about working less, it's about earning more with less effort. How to get started today. You now have the blueprint, but knowledge without action? It's worthless. Here's what you need to do next. Pick one AI money-making method that excites you. Learn the right AI tools, ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway ML, whatever fits your strategy. Take action. Start today, not tomorrow. The AI gold rush is happening now, and those who move first will win. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. You have two choices. Watch from the sidelines or jump in and build wealth with it. Drop a comment below. What's your first move with AI? And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing insights. See you at the top.